The most important thing is that we kept the masking orders
Well,
fully in place.
I'm playing Royal High.
Many states have not done that, and I think acted a little more rapidly to just get rid of all of the mitigation efforts.
For some reason.
But lifting,
Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Royal High. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry. I don't know why I like going inside the quiz store. It's fun to me. It's fun. For some reason, it's fun. You see, I like My Hero Academia. Vaccination clinics for county residents who are 65 to 74 years old. Oh my gosh, are you alright? Vaccinated as more supplies become available. Wait, can we go out? Johnson & Johnson's vaccine stepped up the supply that Maryland can divvy out across the state. It's glass. WBR2 News' Jeff Hager has more on some of the complaints coming out of Harford County. It's glass.
Harford County is the 8th largest county in the state, yet it ranks near the bottom when it comes to getting its residents vaccinated. Harford County Executive Barry Glassman says it's a problem that needs to be resolved. Clinics run by the Harford County Health Department, like this one at Patterson Mill High School, are only getting 1,700 shots per week, which has contributed to the county's poor rating as it tries to get shots into arms. Information came out last week that weeks 1 through 11, Harford County ranked out of 24, based on the number of vaccines per population. So, quite frankly, I was kind of shocked at that. Residents have had to look elsewhere for the shots. Traveling outside of the county,
I don't know what to do.
200 various pharmacies, hospitals, and mass vaccination sites. The county appealed to the state to set up such a site at Ripken Stadium to no avail. Now some of its most diverse neighborhoods have received the fewest vaccination. School is set to reopen here at Patterson Mill High School on Monday, March 15th, and that's when the health department will have to move its vaccination clinic to the Center for Educational Opportunities on Paradise Road in Aberdeen. Reporting in Harford County, Jeff Hager, WMAR 2 News.
Well, this afternoon, the governor says the metrics are good. Tonight, our positivity rate is sitting at 3.4%, and hospitalizations for Marylanders remain at 792. That is unchanged from yesterday. More than 31,000 people were vaccinated yesterday, and all more than 1.6 doses have been administered, a million doses have been administered of the vaccine here in our state. And we know that there's a lot of information out there when it comes to the vaccinations and vaccines. We have it all for you in one easy-to-find spot. We've set up a special page on our website with information on every county, all 24 jurisdictions, as well as links to mass vaccination sites in Baltimore City. And to find it, just head to WMAR2news.com/vaccinating.
Hi guys.
A 14-year-old has been charged in the murder of a 15-year-old. Jaleel Jones was shot last Thursday at a home on Shawgrove Avenue. He died 2 days later. Police say the two teams knew each other and that an argument may have led to the shooting.
Hey, go lay down somewhere and settle down.
Our officers are actually working with them with the schoolwork and also helping them try to find a job.
Why is it
lagging? Again, sadly enough, we didn't see this come to fruition.
Okay. What's in the middle?
14-year-old suspect now faces a first-degree murder charge.
No.
Meanwhile, police arrested 2 men in a shooting that wounded a young girl. 10-year-old Kaylin was going to grab snacks from a corner store on North Fulton Avenue in West Baltimore last month when a bullet hit her chest. Late this afternoon, Baltimore police announced the arrests of Tarek Trotman and Nathaniel Diggs. Trotman faces several charges, including attempted first-degree murder. Diggs faces several handgun charges. In addition to Kaylin, a 45-year-old man and 23-year-old man were also wounded in that shooting.
And then, late this afternoon, Mallory, a deadly shooting in northwest Baltimore. It happened on Park Heights Avenue near West Cold Spring Lane, right in front of the First Aid professional shop. BPD, someone was shot, and they are investigating this case tonight as a homicide.
A community shopping center in West Baltimore is about to switch hands and get a new owner. Could that mean improvement for the long-standing
yeah,
Junction
mouse.
Shopping Center? WNR2 News' Dave Detling has more from the Clifton Avenue location.
Well, the black-owned
I'm
real
not
estate
gonna
company is based in Chicago
win
and it plans
anyways.
to close on this property next month.
Okay, what are we
Owners
doing
will
now?
presume that change will come. It will be slow, however, it is change this community desperately needs. Walpole Junction Shopping Center represents community and business investment. We asked people who live in West Baltimore and shop here what they see. Here, their honesty.
Dirt, trash,
I'm just gonna.
people hanging out,
Now,
selling
I'm
drugs.
probably not gonna even.
Can't go in certain stores because it smells like dirt in a weed house.
Hope
We got like
this.
26 cars. Like water literally leaks in our weed. Nobody comes to fix
You.
the shopping center. And it has something has to be done. It's a food market. I really do think there's a lot of potential in it, and I think that if it falls into the right hands of the right investor, that it could go far, far west.
Next month, the center's new owner, Chicago Trend Corporation, a black-owned commercial real estate investment company, will close on the property, taking over. Here's CEO Lanier Richardson.
And I think our first challenge will be understanding how the existing tenants are doing, giving a sense of who wants to renew, understanding over time.
Richardson said part of the project included a crowdfunding campaign, inviting black entrepreneurs, community residents, and impact investors to become co-owners of the commercial property. So far, the project has raised more than
Like, I
$330,000
love these
from
images.
131 investors,
Like
with more
this
than
one
50%
and
reportedly coming from Baltimore
this
and the
one are
surrounding
my
areas.
It'll
favorites.
be 90 days after we take title. We'll
This one.
start to have our strategic meetings with the retailers, the economic development
And
officials,
this
all
one.
of our investment partners, and articulate a
So I do not know who
Richardson
these
says
are
he
from,
wants community
but
input for
they are
viability.
beautiful.
Here are just some of the
Like,
wants
these
as
are
the project
Wolfendale.
moves forward.
Cleanup crew, lighting, policing.
Like,
We get more
See you next one. Bye.